Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to make Tabby installment payment. So let's get started. First open Tabby app. Then go to money option in the bottom. Then as you can see I have due tomorrow 327 dirham. Okay, you can click here or you can click on Tabby card. Then scroll down, you will see your statement. Then click on pay now. Click on pay and select your card. Then click on pay again. Wait few seconds. As you can see, I have successfully paid my installment. So guys, if you think this video was helpful, please make sure you subscribe to my channel.